Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and this is day 3 of the Advent calendar that J Dolls UK, Peace Craft Dolls with Tammy Powley, and Beth Ramsden and I have done together. We each sent one another 8 gifts. 8 times 3 is 24, worked out perfect. Please visit their channels also to see what they got in their Advent calendar each day. I'm reaching in and I'm pulling one out, and this is from Beth. Isn't that cute? All right, let's see what we got. Ooh, this is cute paper too. I really like that paper. It's like, I really like it. Look at that. You could use it for patterns and stuff on the back too. Ooh, oh, look at that. Oh, Beth, that is so stinking cute. I love it. Thank you so much. I'm going to put it here so you can see it a little bit better. Please visit their channel, see what else they got. This is day 1, 2, and 3. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.